Now we will discuss the format of an acceptance speech. Since you might get it in your exams to write an acceptance speech, so this will help you in going through the exam comfortably. So what is an acceptance speech? The acceptance speech is given to provide an expression of gratitude for some award. Here Alexander Ares delivered the acceptance speech on behalf of his mother to thank the audience as well as the committee members who chose her for this special award, the Nobel Peace Prize. Is it important to give this acceptance speech? Not necessarily. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप ये acceptance speech दो ही. But imagine करिए अगर कोई great leader like Aung San Suu Kyi goes on the stage, or her son on her behalf goes on the stage and just says thank you and leaves, then it will not leave any impact, and it will also not show that she is really thankful for this special mention. So out of courtesy and to send the right message to the people who were hoping for this award for her, it is very important that you give an acceptance speech. Now, what is a good structure for a successful and effective acceptance speech? It should have a nice opening statement where either you introduce yourself or you address the audience members. So this acts as an icebreaker, as in you are an unknown person, you are going on stage and you are introducing yourself. So in a way you are making yourself known to the audience members. This should be followed by the thank you, wherein you thank the organization that has chosen you for this award, and you also thank the competition against whom you have won the award, but at the same time remaining humble. Next, you should share the glory. It's never that a person achieves any success by being alone. There are always a lot of number of people who are supporting them in their achievement. So it is very important that you share the glory. Here in this chapter, Alexander Ares continuously mentioned that it is not Aung San Suu Kyi who has alone won the award, but it is the testament for all the people who are working with her, struggling with her in her in her efforts to achieve democracy for her country. And you finally come to the conclusion where it is important that you leave the stage with the people still remembering your speech. So it is important that you end it with a memorable punchline. In this chapter, Alexander Ares has really dramatically ended the speech by mentioning great leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and their statements, and with a statement like "Let the new age dawn." So that helped him in leaving a punch in the audience before ending his acceptance speech. Now, what are the two important points that you have to consider while writing or reading an acceptance speech? It is important to consider brevity. Now, what is brevity? It means to be brief. So when you are reading out a speech, it should not go on and on for hours together and you leave the audience completely bored with your speech. People should not doze off while you are speaking. Next, you have to consider gratitude. You should never sound arrogant or that you already knew that you deserved this award. It is always important to show your gratitude, that you are thankful and that you are humble, and you feel that it is with a lot of struggle that you have been able to achieve this award. So the important point here is sound grateful and humble and not arrogant. So these are the points that you should consider while writing an acceptance speech.